Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more interesting tips and tutorials. Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will create this kind of Christmas ball. It will be a brooch. All necessary materials what you will need for this project you will find in description below this video. Let's start. First of all you need to find something round. I will use this glue stick for it. I will circle it to my hard felt. I have here felt which is very thick, it's around 2 millimeters. This felt we will use as a base for our velvet. Now I will cut out my circle. My circle out of hard felt is ready. Now I will need to cut out my velvet. Put your hard felt on the velvet, and you will need to take velvet 1 centimeter bigger from each side. I will just mark it to my velvet and I will cut it out. Now I will take my needle and thread. You can take any thread you have, it won't be visible. Secure the thread in the felt and start. We take our velvet from the sides. We take it from this side, then from other side. Again from here, and then from other side. And pull. Again from here, then from this side and pull. Then all this fabric you need to sew better to our base. From other side we have our element almost ready. Secure the thread and cut it. Now take a piece of felt, I have hard felt here, and we will need to sew on our element to this felt. From the top leave a bit more space because we will create element here as well, so I will just cut out necessary piece of the felt. Color of the thread should be very close to our element. First of all I will secure my thread in the felt and I will need to sew on my velvet element to my felt base. For it you will need to sew it very carefully, only from the side to felt, with small stitches. One stitch next to other. We continue the same while all our velvet element will be attached to our felt. We have finished to sew on our velvet element. Now we will need to draw our top part. Our top part will be here as a small finishing of our ball. and we will start our decoration. For it I will make my thread double. I will create a knot from my other thread. I will start my decoration from the top, go out with my thread on the line, and then I will start with my seed beads size 10. I will take 5 seed beads and will enter to the next line. Then I will take my soft metal wire and I sew it on as well. I will make one line with seed beads and one line with metal wire. Then I will go down a bit on the velvet. We'll take another piece of metal wire. And sew it on. Now I will start to decorate my main element. I will go out from the top and I will start, I think, with gold. And some crystals. I take 2 gold seed beads, 1 crystal and 2 gold seed beads. And sew it on. I will pass through it twice. Again, take any materials what you would like to decorate your ball. It is only up to your imagination. I will add small metal elements in between my seed beads. And some seed beads from the sides. Now I secure my thread and I will take a new one. I secure my new thread and I will continue to work. My next step will be I will go on the top of my work. I will take a metal wire. I will go into it. And I will sew it on. I will pass through it one more time. And we'll secure it from the side. From one side and from another side. Now I will need to cut out my embroidery. I won't cut my thread because I will work with it later when I will finish my edge. Measure it and then glue it on. I will put glue on my embroidery, on the threads to secure them more, and then to the cardboard. Attach it together. Take a piece of eco leather, circle our embroidery to the eco leather. We take our pin, we measure it more on the up side from both sides. And then we make small holes on these lines. Then we open our pin and we go through these small holes. Then close it, and from the back side take a glue and put a glue on our pin. and gently press. Then we put the glue on our leather and on our embroidery. And we attach it together. Make sure it is in the middle and press. Full tutorial of how you can finish the edge of embroidery I will leave here and in description section, but in this video I will create it very fast. I will start with seed bead size 10 in silver color. Go out from the felt, very next to our velvet. Take 2 seed beads and start to finish your edge. I will finish the edge all around with silver seed beads, and on the top I will finish it with the gold. Now I start gold seed beads. And finish with silver. Now I will secure my thread and cut it. I will be back to you when my brooch is fully finished. My brooch is ready. It came very nice and small and pretty, and it don't take a lot of time to create this brooch. And using this technique you can create something like this. It's hearts. Here is the same technique, but I embroidered all the way here and added some crystal chain, and here as well. I hope this tutorial was useful for you and you will be able to create your own velvet accessories for yourself and for your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment below if you have any questions, suggestions to my channel, or you just want to say hi to me. I will be very glad to hear feedbacks from you. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. Bye!